A project objective is to develop a model to check the quality of river water and the parameters of river water. A project allows people to be aware of temperature, pH, and turbidity values of water and to know whether the water can be used for household uses. Purpose: water is primary need for all living beings and living without water is impossible. The essential parameters of the water quality vary based on the application of water. A project can be used to monitor the river water quality using web application and can be used to know if there are any dust particles present in the water. And the pH and temperature of the water can be monitored. If any variations detected, authorities will be alerted and they will announce localities not to use the water. These are the surveys taken by us to present our project in a unique way, and no one has done a project with this idea. Just to make known more about our project, these were the surveys we have taken. This is our empathy map. Our empathy map represents the idea of a project and gives a brief explanation about a project. We plan to use sensors to measure pH, temperature, and turbidity of water which are stored in the cloud. A main idea of this project is to make the people use toxic-less water with the use of our project. We have expressed our ideas in this ideation phase chart. The architecture is the simple layout of a project, how it can be implemented using the IoT device and the cloud services, and how it can reach the customers. This is our this is our problem solution fit. This represents how well a proposed solution fits for the problem statement. They also express what may be the problem arises during the implementation of a project. This is our proposed solution template. Our solution template has the following parameters known as problem statement, idea solution descriptions, uniqueness, social impact, customer satisfaction, business model, scalability of the solution. So this is our project data flow diagram. Our data flow diagram represents how data is retrieved and utilized in the project from the cloud services by the customers. This is our functional and non-functional requirements for a project, and we have mentioned the following below. User requirements such as river water protection, pH turbidity, and the user registration is manual registration, and that can be done also through web page form and Gmail. And user can confirm this by using email, OTP, and phone, and the other followings are listed. And these are our non-functional requirements. This is a journal map, and in this journal map, we have expressed how the customer feels about the usage of a project and how well it can fit for them. And this is a project planning phase. Here we have planned what to execute and what we have done with our project, and we have listed the literature survey, and we have created the empathy map, and we have our idea and proposed solution and a problem solution fit. This is our sprint delivery. It shows the product backlog, sprint schedule, and our estimation. According For estimation and priorities, we have done an effective web page consists of 2 sprint and 4 subpages. The subpages includes login, registration and dashboard. Alarm page. As of for scheduling, we created and calculated a project tracker. For Sprint 1 and 2, we estimated 7 days within 15 story points, and for Sprint 3 and 4, we estimated 6 days and 10 story points. But we did both or less than estimated time. 2. And this is our burn down chart. This is our project executed in Visual Code. We used HTML code to execute a project. And for this is the Sprint 2 code. Using HTML we have done all this. Sprint 3 we have used a Python code to generate the value. And by using the sprint statements we used to print the values. And Python script is used for implementation. Thus, by combining the technical components, a project can be implemented. These were the Python codes, and this was the output of a Sprint 4. And this is an output frame. And hereby I conclude a project. Thank you.